Greetings to everyone. My name is Mohini Aggarwal. I am working with British Express from a couple of years now. I am pleased to inform you that I have done Masters in English and I have performed MBA in HR from NMIMS. I have worked with Wipro for 5 years and I have worked with Just Dial for 2.5 years, after which I was able to work I was able to be a part of British School of Languages for 5 to 6 years. It was immense pleasure for me. Why? Because I have learned so many things. It was not only me who was teaching the students, even the students were teaching me. I am specialized into English language, voice and accent training, personality development, IELTS, PTE and TOEFL. I have worked with British Express from a long time. My role over here is to train the students to achieve their desired band score in IELTS. Most of my students, I would say, have achieved the desired band score of 8, 7.5 and 8.5. I myself have appeared for IELTS and achieved overall band score of 8.5. 9 it was in the speaking module. I have worked with British Express, and British Express doesn't only help the candidates with confidence or with grammar, it also helps you enhance your personality in terms of profession, in terms of your career, in terms of you moving abroad. And I have seen multiple students whose life has drastically changed because of British Express. They have given feedback as well. Because of British Express, their career has been really fortunate to them. Thank you so much.